Hello, Mrs. Robinson's class. Say hi, guys. Hi! Well, we have a variety of instruments, and we're going to play them all together in an orchestration with a simple song because we're trying to connect to the PBL unit of human rights. Well, how in the world does music connect with human rights? Well, this is the way that we organize ourselves in music to make beautiful, beautiful pieces of music where every voice, diverse voices, are heard. And in society, we organize ourselves with human rights so that every voice, diverse voices, are all heard. You have rights, I have rights, we respect each other's rights. Same thing in a music ensemble. We're glad that our friends the xylophones are playing or our friends the tubes are playing. Everyone cheers on each other's voice. Let's play together. Ready? Here we go.